Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a wash day routine using Fenty Beauty. In the first two clips, you guys can see that I'm showing you how dry and matted my hair looks and also how dirty my hair is as well. As always, we are starting off with just wetting my hair. I like to drench my hair with water as much as I can, so you guys will see this in real time, that I'm taking my time to make sure that I am opening my hair. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Hair, the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. This shampoo has a really good lather. I was actually pleasantly surprised at how lathering the shampoo was. Pumping it out of the bottle, I wasn't expecting for it to lather this much, but it is a shampoo and I absolutely love the way that it lathered on my hair. I love a shampoo that lathers. It just makes me feel that the product is evenly distributed into my hair, and it actually smells really good. This shampoo, in my opinion, doesn't have a very potent smell compared to the conditioner, which I will get into in a few. But this shampoo lathered up really well. It left my hair really clean as well, which you guys will see towards the ending of this clip or the ending of this video. And I absolutely love the way that it just made my hair feel. As you guys can see, I'm showing you guys how soapy it looks. And of course, as I mentioned, I am someone that loves a good shampoo that can lather up, and this shampoo did just that. As I am scrubbing my scalp, I am making sure that I'm covering every part of my hair because, again, my hair was super dry, matted, and very dirty. So I'm making sure that I'm working my way into all of my strands. You guys are more than welcome to use a scalp scrubber, but for today, I just prefer to use my fingertips. I want to point out that even though this is a moisture repair shampoo, it did leave my hair feeling a little bit stripped. But I'm not surprised because even though it is a moisture repair shampoo, shampoos in general have a little bit of a stripped feeling to it. But it wasn't a stripped feeling that made you think that you needed to add a handful of conditioner. Just stripped in a way that you know that your hair is clean, if that makes sense. This is how my hair is looking after shampooing my hair once. As you guys can see, compared to the second clip I showed you at the beginning till now, my hair has a huge difference. In my opinion, it doesn't look dirty and my hair did feel clean. I only shampooed once, but you can shampoo twice. Next, we're going to go in with the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner. I was struggling just a little bit to get the conditioner out of the bottle because my hands were slippery from the shampoo and then applying the conditioner to my hair. But overall, I really enjoyed the conditioner. I would definitely say that I wish it was a little bit more creamier. In my hands, the conditioner appeared to be a little bit more creamier than when I applied it to my hair, which you guys will see in a second. In this clip, it doesn't look like I have much conditioner in my hair, but I promise I added a plentiful amount to my hair. I ended up adding a little bit of water just to activate the conditioner a little bit more, but it did a very great job at moisturizing and helping my hair to replenish the moisture that was kind of stripped off from or with the shampoo. So I really enjoyed it. My tangles melted away. It was not difficult at all to use the conditioner, and I really enjoyed the scent of it as well. Of course, as I mentioned earlier, both of these products does have fragrance in it. So if you're not someone that's really into fragrance or fragrance scented products, these products would not be for you. If you're someone that also develop any type of allergies on your scalp because of scents, I would not recommend this shampoo and conditioner. Overall, I give the shampoo a 9 out of 10. Actually, no, a 10 out of 10. It lathered up really well and it made my hair feel really clean without it feeling too stripped. The conditioner, I would give that one a 9 out of 10. I just wish that it was a little bit more creamier on my hair. Other than that, as I mentioned, it melted my tangles away. It helped to replenish back the moisture into my hair. And I absolutely loved the way my hair felt afterwards as well. My hair was super soft, almost like a butter soft, which I really enjoyed and I appreciate, because sometimes after using certain shampoos or conditioners, your hair don't feel as soft, you know. But overall, those are my ratings of the products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys found it useful. And if you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down below if you guys have purchased this or these products before, or if you guys are planning on purchasing these. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.